Assalamu alaikum. So, students, welcome back again. We were doing addition and subtraction of improper fractions in the last video. We have studied that, right? So, if they are like fractions, you can easily add them, and if they are unlike, you need to first convert them into like fractions either by using your LCM method. Okay. All right. So today, see, try to do your exercise problems. All right. And also, I'd given you one homework as two as homework. Okay. Today, what I will do is I will take exercise 5.1. In that, I will try to solve your fourth question. Okay. See, and you will get addition, subtraction, or anything like in the form of statements as well. Okay, so in this fourth question they had given Neha bought a cake. Okay, so she had bought a cake. All right, so this cake she ate 7 by 15th part. Okay, 7 by 15th of cake immediately. Okay, so that means this cake is divided into 15 parts. All right, so I'm not showing in the figure. Overall it was divided into 15 total. This total cake is divided into how many parts? 15 parts. So out of those 15 parts she ate out of those 15 parts 7 were utilized. So 7 by 15th part of the cake immediately is eaten away, and in the afternoon she ate the remaining part. Okay, how much part she ate in the afternoon? All right, it's very easy. So in the morning she ate away 7 by 15th part, right? Eaten 7 by 15th part. So our total cake I will take it as one cake, isn't it? So we want the remaining cake which she ate in the afternoon. How much she ate, isn't it? So my cake will be 1 minus, and the eaten part is how much? The whole cake I'll take as 1. The eaten part away is 7 by 15. All right. So 1 minus 7 by 15 if you take. So take LCM, so you'll get 15 minus 7, isn't it? LCM is 15. This is 1 by 1 you will take. So 1 into 15 minus this fraction, you will get 15, 15, 15 ones is 15. So minus 7 into 1. So 15 minus 7 by 15. So my answer is how much? 15 minus 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8. It is 8 by 15. So the remaining part of the cake is how much? It was 8 by 15. So she had that remaining cake in the afternoon, isn't it? So in the afternoon she ate. You need to write the sentences. Okay, afternoon she ate how much? 8 by 15. You want to verify whether we have done correct or no. So in the morning immediately she ate how much? 7 by 15 plus in the afternoon she ate 8 by 15 of the cake, part of the cake. So it will be 7 plus 8, isn't it? Denominators are equal, so I will add numerators 7 plus 8. So this will be 15 by 15, that is equal to 1. So the whole cake is one cake is eaten away. Okay, all right, so now let's move on to the next topic, and the rest, like example problems, we will do in our class, okay, in Zoom meeting. All right, so already these are discussed topics. We will do these problems in our Zoom meeting, and the rest remaining thing which are left out of in the exercise, you need to do it as a homework. Okay, so don't forget to complete the total topic. Okay, now next thing is, so subtraction and addition and subtraction, it is one and the same, so we have done with that. So the next thing is multiplication. Multiplication of fraction, it is very easy. Okay, you don't have anything like to check with the like fractions, unlike fractions, okay, and all these things. This is very easy. So first of all, let us see multiplication of a fraction with a whole number. Okay, first with a whole number. So by let us see first multiplication of fractions by a whole number. Okay, see, I have drawn this okay, two pictures are there. Tell me, what is the fraction for this picture? What fraction does this picture represent? This picture 1, it is divided into 3 parts. Okay, so my new denominator will be 3 and the used region is 1. So this is 1 by 3 and it is same, is it? So this is also 1 by 3. Now when you add together these two, okay, now how you will add this? You will take 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, or you can write this as 1 by 3 into 2. That is, this is one whole and this is the other whole. So 1 by 3 into 2. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay. So multiplication is nothing but add. See, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 2 is nothing but 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay. So we will get this as how much? It is 2 by 3. Here also some denominators are equal. So 1 plus 1 divided by 3. So I will get 2 by 3. Isn't it? It's same. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is same as 1 by 3 into 2. So this 2 is what? A whole number. Okay. So when you multiply a whole number with a fraction, you will multiply that into the numerator. Okay. 1 into 2 by 3. You will take this as 2 by 3. Okay. So let me draw the pictorial representation of this 2 by 3. So I have one whole and it is divided into 3 parts, and the used regions are how much? It is 2. So 2 regions I will shade. Okay. So I can shade like this. Alright. So this pictorial representation is for the fraction 2 by 3. Alright. So this is by using your pictures I have shown you. Let me take any other example. If I have a fraction like 5 by 7, okay, I'm multiplying it with 3. Okay, so this will be how much? It is very simple. You will multiply this whole number with the numerator of the fraction. 5 into 3 by 7, this is equal to 15 by 7. Okay, or let me take one more. If I take 10 into 2 by 3, so this is how much? 10 into 2 divided by 3. This is equal to 10 to 20 by 3. Alright, so a whole number when multiplied by a fraction, you will just multiply this whole number in the numerator of the fraction. Okay, with the numerator of the fraction number, and like this you will get the answer. Now let's see by a fraction. Okay, a fraction multiplied by a fraction again. Okay, multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. That means you'll have two fractions. How to multiply those two fractions? Let's see now. Again, it's very simple. Multiplication is very easy for your this fractions. Addition, it's little complicated for, not complicated, the practice is needed. So for like fractions it's easy. Unlike fractions, what you will do, you need to use LCM and get them into like fractions and then add. So whereas for multiplication there's nothing to do like that. So if you have 1 by 2 and 2 by 5, so two fractions are there. So you need to multiply these two fractions. It's very simple. Numerator multiplied by numerator divided by denominator multiplied by denominator. So 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 is nothing but, so 2 into 1 by 2 into 5 divided by, so this will be 2 divided by 10. Okay, so let's do one more problem. So we have 2 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 3. Alright, so since 2 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction, we will first convert it into proper fraction, so that is normal improper fraction. So this will be 5 into 2, 5 to 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 into 1 by 3. So this is numerator into numerator, it is 11 into 1 divided by denominator into denominator, 5 into 3. So this is 11 by 15. Alright, now let's observe the product of these fractions. Okay, see what is happening, and let's get some conclusions from these. Okay, so 1 by 5 and 2 by 3, what are they? They are proper fraction or improper fraction? They are proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. So we are multiplying two proper fractions, 1 by 2, 1 into 2 by 5 into 3, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So this will be 2 by 15. Okay, this two are what? Proper fractions. Okay, the next set I've took is 2 are improper fractions. 3 by 2 is improper because numerator is greater than denominator, and 5 by 4 is also improper because numerator is greater than denominator. So product of these two, 5 into 3 is 15 and 4 into 2 is how much? 8. So I got 15 by 8. So this is the product of two improper fractions, isn't it? Okay, now you have 2 by 3 is a proper fraction or improper? It is a proper fraction, and 5 by 3 is improper because numerator is greater than denominator. So product of these two fractions, it is 10. 5 2s is 10, 3 3s is 9, 10 by 9. So this is mixture of both proper and improper, isn't it? Now let's see what we can get is, see, observe the answers of these products. Now let's observe the products of these two, what we have done, all the four. Okay, that is two fractions, whether they are lesser or greater than each of its fraction. Okay, so we have this product. Okay, all these products, let's check whether this answer, if it is lesser or greater than each of its fraction. Okay, so what we will do, we will compare first for the proper fractions. Okay, so our answer was 2 by 15, isn't it? And the two given fractions were what? 1 by 5, and that is 1 by 5 into 2 by 3, isn't it? So let's check individually. Okay, so if I compare 2 by 15 with 1 by 5, so we will do this butterfly model. This is 5 to 10 and this is 15. Let's write it here. Okay, so your 10 is less than 15, that means 2 by 15 is less than 1 by 5. So the product we've got, it is less than this individual proper fraction. Let us see for the other proper fraction. Okay, so our answer is 2 by 15 and 2 by 3. Let's compare these two. It is 6 and here 15 2s is 30, isn't it? So again 6 is less than 30. So that means your output product 2 by 15 is less than 2 by 3. Okay. Okay, this was your first proper fraction. Two proper fractions we took. So we've got answer is less than, the product is less than the individual fractions. Okay, now let's go for the second thing. We have 3 by 2 and 5 by 4 given, and the answer is 5 by what are the 3 by 2 and 5 by 4. 3 by 2 and 5 by 4. So product we have got how much? 15 by 8. Okay, so let's compare 15 by 8 product with the individual fractions given. So this is 30, and here 8 2 6 8 3 is 24. So 30 is greater than 24. So for this is your what improper fraction, isn't it? So that means 15 by 8, the product is greater than the individual improper fraction. Okay, let me do for the other improper fraction given, 5 by 4. So 15 fours is, it is 60. 15 into 4, 5 4 is 20, 60. Yes, 15 fours is 60. 5 eights is 40. Okay, so this means 60 is greater than 40. That is nothing but 15 by 8 is greater than 5 by 4. Okay, this was the second set. We have done comparison with the individual fractions, product and the individual fractions. Let's do for this third. So this is the product 10 by 15, and the fractions given were 2 by 5 and 5 by 3. Okay, so let's compare 10 by 15 with 2 by 5. So 10 5 is 50 and 15 2 is 30. So here this is 50 is greater than 30, therefore 10 by 15, that is product, is greater than 2 by 5. Okay, let's check for this. 10 by 15 and the other fraction is 5 by 3. This is 10 3 is 30, 15 5 75 is 75. So here it is less than. Okay, so 10 by 15 is less than how much? Here 5 by 3 given. So what do you observe in this? What can we conclude? Just observe this answers, comparisons, and tell me what can we conclude. Just have a thought about it for some time. Okay, so we can conclude that. Did you come to any conclusion? See, whenever two proper fractions are, these are two proper fractions, the first one what we had seen, okay, are multiplied, the product is always less than the individual fractions given. Okay, where opposite is for here two improper fractions when multiplied. Okay, when two improper fractions you are multiplying, so what happens? Your product, it is always greater than the individual fractions given. Alright, now if I take the third one, which is mixture of proper and improper, so it can be anything. Okay, so just observe, for observation we have done this. Alright, so you need to get to some conclusions, which I have concluded. When two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is always less than the individual fractions given. Whereas for improper fractions, the product of two improper fractions is always greater than the individual fractions. Alright, okay, I think let's stop till here for today. Until I meet again with a new video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.